Welcome back! Let's continue learning the most important Spanish verbs in past tense. English first, then Spanish. I thought. Pensé. You thought. Pensaste. He thought. Pensó. We thought. Pensamos. They thought. Pensaron. I felt. Sentí. You felt. Sentiste. He felt. Sintió. We felt. Sentimos. They felt. Sintieron. I wanted. Quise. You wanted. Quisiste. He wanted. Quiso. We wanted. Quisimos. They wanted. Quisieron. I went. Fui. I came. Vine. I arrived. Llegué. I left. Salí. I returned. Volví. I bought. Compré. I sold. Vendí. I paid. Pagué. I helped. Ayudé. I played. Jugué. I saw. Vi. You saw. Viste. He saw. Vio. I heard or listened. Escuché. Toqué. I knew or found out. Supe. I learned. Aprendí. I studied. Estudié. I read. Leí. I wrote. Escribí. Pensé means I thought. Sentí means I felt. Quise means I wanted. Vine means I came. Compré means I bought. Vi means I saw. Escuché means I listened. Estudié means I studied. I arrived late. Llegué tarde. I left early. Salí temprano. I entered the room. Entré al cuarto. I opened the door. Abrí la puerta. I closed the window. Cerré la ventana. I cooked. Cociné. I cleaned. Limpié. I washed clothes. Lavé la ropa. I bought groceries. Compré comida. I sold items. Vendí cosas. I remembered. Recordé. I believed. Creí. I thought about it. Pensé en eso. I liked it. Me gustó. I loved it. Amé eso.